Now I'm going to pull on these two things and voila. Hey, it's first time tailgate. It's been down since I don't know when. Alright, got a little side project today. Still working on the Dakota. You guys may have already seen this video, or it's coming out after. Anyway, motor and trans are ready to come out of that thing. Why don't I show you? Just in case, because it's fun stuff. Got it all torn down and just basically got to hook up the chain and get that dude out. So, cool there. But in order to get the transmission rebuilt, I have to take it somewhere, and I can't do that right now because while electronic tailgates are cool, when they break they're not very cool. So I've got to fix the tailgate on this thing. Forgive the fan noise, it's a hot day, it is what it is. So we're gonna work on fixing that today. My truck is under warranty, but Ford has 4 to 6 weeks out for service because of well, they say because of the new car shortage and everybody's fixing their cars and stuff like that, but I can't wait that long. And so I went ahead and bit the bullet and bought the part to fix it, so might as well show you guys that process.
I think we should put on some sweatpants.
Right, drink some milk.
And like go out in the sun.
Right.
And
just bathe.
I wouldn't say bathe, I think we should just shove the dirt around.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea too. It's miserable hot. But the process to start this is we need to pull this cover off.
Are you gonna pop it down, or?
Well, you have to. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it. I mean, that's the plan at least.
Do you have a part?
Yeah, I grabbed it yesterday.
Oh, so you just bought it and.
Right.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah, I was annoyed that I had to buy it, but whatever.
I'm sure it's something simple that was overly priced.
Oh yeah, no doubt. Yes.
Something simple that's just at a 500% market. There's something to be said about just like regular old school tailgates.
Yeah, I agree. Like this one locks, which is nice, but and when it works, it's
your
fine.
Your tailgate's what, 30 years old and it works?
Yep. On the Dakota?
Yeah. The RT's 20 something years old, works. Or the other two trucks, Shitbox and Gramps, works. Works. My dad's truck works. You know, now they come with all these actuators and switches and shit.
Like I said, the nice feature about it is you can do it on a button and you can do it from your remote. But when it breaks, this is highly inconvenient.
Because you lose functionality of the tailgate.
All the functionality of the tailgate.
And it's all f***ing plastic and ribbon shit.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, that's a rod in there. Okay, that's just the... look at that plastic. Look at all that plastic in the middle.
Well, that's from the bed liner.
No, I'm talking in the middle.
Oh yeah, no doubt. What I'm doing with this tape is I'm marking the threads to know where they're at, so when I put the new tool on, or the new, not tool, part, I know where to get them lined up so there's no second guessing on that. Show you all how I can get this undone. Put the screwdriver underneath the lip here.
Force.
Yeah, I'm just gonna force it and pull back. And boom, it comes out. Yay. Here it goes. Now, I'm gonna pull on these two things and voila. Hey, it's first time tailgate. It's been down since I don't know when. So I think we only have two 10mm bolts here and here covered in bed liner. Oh. This one might be 11 now because of the bed liner. Look at there.
Yeah.
Harness comes out. New one. Yeah, it's cheap plastic part. This whole part is plastic.
All of it.
And that's what went bad.
Yeah,
Plug it in there.
it's covered in bed liner. I'm sure that didn't help.
Nope. Luckily there's studs, so you can't really misalign it.
Oh yeah, it's locked up. A worky.
No El Worko. And I'll get y'all the part number here in a minute. If you have a 2018 to, it may even be other years, but 2018 to 2020, I think, or 21.
And then, yeah.
Clip.
It's a little bit better design as that.
That clip, yeah.
We changed it.
Well, see if it works. That's incredibly inconvenient. Yay! So it's just this cheap plastic.
Yeah.
Right.
You spend $100,000 on a F-150 or whatever, and you get crap like this.
Yeah, think about that
It's
when
just
you're out buying that $100,000 truck that everybody wants right now, because everybody wants to be keeping up with the Joneses with the brand new trucks, paying $75,000 to $80,000 for an F-150. Which, don't get me wrong, I love my truck, but I didn't pay anywhere near that. And you get ABS plastic with a very cheap motor that it's full on locked up. Yeah. I've got 50,000 miles on this truck. I do use the bed and everything, but it's just like, buyer beware, right? Like, that sucks. Anyway, let me throw these screws back real quick. All right, here we go. Hot damn. $70 later. Okay. Hopefully that works for a while now. At least I know it's not too hard to get into it next time if I've got to temporary unlock it to get into it. But that's still a pain in the butt. What if I had a cover on it?
Yeah. Oh.
Right.
Locking covered.
Right. But there you go. Quick install of a tailgate actuator for 2018 F-150, maybe 2019, 2021 maybe. I don't know. Here's the part number for mine. I would call the dealership and have them run their VIN, because there's two different parts. Mine's a Lariat, if that helps, and has a rear camera, but I don't know. This one works just fine. I had to go to Ford to get it. I think I found it in a couple other places, but I wanted to make sure it was the correct part, so I ran the VIN. But I mean, that was a 10-minute install, and made for a nice quick little video. So anyway, check out our cooler projects and videos, because we got a whole bunch of them. Again, we're about to pull motor and trans out of that thing, so I'm gonna work on that, but I'm gonna call it off there and get back working on Dakota. So thanks for coming along as always. If you're new to the channel and you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so, and we'll see y'all next time. Until next time, you know the deal. Y'all be good.